Yes.
Now I will tell about Historicism and National Romantic from 1850 to 1930. The name for the architecture in the Historicism was also called the confused style, because the architecture used different classical style fragments, as we can see at the photo. And if I start here in the foundation, you can see you have a profiled base here, and here we have a Gothic window and some classical style with decorations of triglyph and gutta here. And if we look at the roof, you can see you have a big overhang here. You have a roof overhang supported by bracket here in the gable, and you can see the end of the rafter here is visible. Yeah. And often the wall or the brick, it was typical machine brick. It was very smooth in the surface. And if I take another picture here, or photo, you can see you have decoration here, artificial decoration, and again you have conic over the window here, and you have a balcony covered with roof, and it's a timber construction. And here you have a romantic style, and you have pilaster here with fluting in the end here, and profiled window.
I saw from the picture before there was a name on the building. It was named Solbakken. Is that normal to have a?
Yes, yes, it was normal for national romantic and historicism.
So each house has a name.
Yes, it's called
Solbakken.
Sandvik.
Yeah.
Sandhill.
Yeah.
I will continue with the National Romantic. The period for the style was running after the Historicism. In Denmark we also called it the period for Skønvirke. In the foreign countries the name was Jugendstil or Art Nouveau or New Style. The architecture was marked of flower, plants and women's long hair. It was a very living architecture with beautiful forms. Famous architect from foreign countries was architect with name Charles Mackintosh. He lived in Glasgow, and he has built famous buildings there. There was also architect Hotra and Antonio Gaudi with famous building in Barcelona. Hoffmann and Frank Lloyd Wright with famous building in America. From Denmark we have architect Anton Rosen with more single house and multi-story house Løvenborg in Copenhagen, and he also was architect for the exhibition, country exhibition in 909 in Aarhus. Another architect, Danish architect, was M.G. Bindesbøll, who built Thorvaldsens Museum in Copenhagen and har accompanied with works as Aarhus Theatre and his own house in Aarhus. Some architects used fragments from the Nordic architecture, among, for example, symbols from Vikings. And here you can see a romantic house. You can see we have the base, we have a horizontal line from the basement until the ground floor, and from the ground floor until the first floor you have another horizontal conic here. You have also here timber in the facade. You have a balcony of timber, and it's supported by a goblet under here. You have a cladding of wood Roof overhang and part of the gable in wood. Timber work around the window. Yes. And here you can see the special Nordic decoration in the top of the roof here. Up here.